Hello everyone, I am Shivani from IS Bench. I am going to talk about innovative idea on smart class. Let us see the introduction. Smart classroom is a digital classroom which is an advanced form of a school that follows different ways of teaching to improve efficiency. Teacher-led learning spaces that usually include a computer, interactive whiteboard and projector. Smart technologies provide students more opportunities to interact with the content. Let us see the components. Interactive whiteboard, laptops or Chromebooks, charging cards, learning apps, document cameras, smart tables. Let us see the advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: interactive learning experience, time saving technology, eco friendly. And then disadvantages: creating presentations, videos, and the programs are difficult, expensive, and complex to implement, high maintenance cost. Thank you.